Hi, this is Bella. I'm the marketing specialist at Supertec Machinery. It was my first IMTS, and I think it would be interesting to share what I did during the show. So here's a day in the life of a marketing specialist at Supertec IMTS edition. Around 9, we arrived at the show site at McCormick Place with a coffee, of course, got to our booth, had a kick-off meeting, and prepared for the day. Outfit check in the restroom, can't miss it. The show started at 10, you'll see people showing up immediately. My job was to stand at the front desk, greeting people, encourage them to follow us on social media, and take photos and videos in the booth when I saw a good moment. At 1, I had a 30-minute lunch break. You could get pizza, burgers, or hot dog at the food court. One day we went to the East Building and had lunch by the lake. It's just beautiful. Okay, back to work. Film some more materials for future use and talk to more people. When it was less busy, I got to walk around the show, researching on marketing materials like booth design, flyers, signs, and what smart and fun giveaways did others have. At 6 p.m. when the show ended, we had our daily conclusion meeting, talking about leads, social media followings, and other things. And we left the show site. During the night, we could be invited to other companies' parties, or we had dinner together. We had Chinese food, Korean food, and Greek food. Coming back to the hotel room, I would take a look at the photos and videos of the day, did some video editing and schedule posts about the show. This was how my day looked like during IMTS. If you want to see more content like this, like, share, and follow us.